amazing. Now where in the heck could he have come from? That's not something. Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, I guess. You ain't gonna believe this, guys. This is a wild turkey in our backyard. I guess he followed us home from Salt Fork. Oh my gosh. He's moving out. He's back there at the fence. He just doesn't seem to know how to get out. Yeah, he's all the way at the back. Yeah, well, he probably sees me. Huh? I guess you could call City Hall and just tell them. Send a game warden out. Oh, he's going. He can fly. He's going to be just a little bit. There he goes. Oh, down over the garage he goes. I guess he went to see Walter's house.
I wonder if you could call City Hall and tell them. Maybe the game warden can catch
Well, that's all you can do as far as I know. Just tell them there's a wild turkey on top of the garage behind 1304.
It was in our backyard and flew up onto the roof. And I don't know if they can do anything or not.
Well, they'll tell you.
Okay, let me get my glasses on that call.
You're afraid he might get out on Broadview Road and cause an accident or something.